Hey guys, please make sure to stand till the end. We'll share some very helpful advice that if you don't follow, you may end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick and very helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys. We're talking about almost any BMW, modern BMW with gasoline, diesel or hybrid engine. We'll talk about the most common oil leaks we see at the garage and how if ignored it can lead to very expensive repairs. It can damage other systems as well, and one of those could be the exhaust system, and also we will explain how it can destroy your engine. We will share that guys in this video today, absolutely free. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Some of the most common oil leaks guys will demonstrate on that BMW here with N20 engine, but it will work on other BMWs and other cars practically with gasoline and diesel engine as well. Now, modern vehicles are quite complicated. This is quite modern engine guys because it uses direct fuel injection system, double variable timing guys. It has even the Vanos as well, the Vanos motor. So quite complicated guys. But now, one of the most common things we see here at the garage for oil leaks will be your valve cover gasket. This is the valve cover gasket, and usually it's not just one gasket. That's the outer gasket. This is the inner gasket for the ignition coils and fuel injectors. Sometimes you may have a separate ones. Those are two of them. This is for the high pressure fuel pump. You have other rings as well. In addition, you're going to have another gasket on the back side of the valve cover gasket for the brake vacuum pump. You may have another one, and that's another one for the Vanos motor here as well. Now, when the gasket starts fading, usually guys, you will start dripping oil on the exhaust. So you may hear, you may smell a burning oil smell from the exhaust. You see it gets contaminated on cables, wires. It can mess up their structure as well. It can disintegrate wires, seals and things like that, so fix leaks pretty fast. If it contaminates connectors, certain sensors may not work. You can see here all that is full of engine oil here as well. That can cause misfires as well and other problems guys. So valve cover gasket is probably one of the most common things we see here at the garage, but it's not guys, okay, the only one. Valve cover gasket, okay, it's not the only one. Now the gasket itself, you see here for instance we have the high pressure pump. Okay, this is that gasket right here as well. Another thing, you have these secondary gaskets here as well for the camshaft actuators. Okay, there is O-rings there, and you have little bitty gaskets for the camshaft position sensors here as well on the bottom. That can cause too. But do you see that massive oil leak here? Okay, our leak is actually even from something completely different. You wonder what? Watch, the alternator is covered with oil. Our belt, okay, practically the belt beat the dust guys. I want to show you here. Okay, you can see that's almost a brand new belt, less than 20,000 miles on it. Started falling apart because of that oil leak. That oil leak is from the oil cooler, guys. Quite common leak on modern vehicles. The oil cooler, coolant goes through it, and engine oil goes through different passages, but they go in one same device, and practically the coolant is going to cool your engine oil, but internally you have these gaskets. You see, for instance, this one has two gaskets, one towards the cylinder head, one right here, and when they fail, they can start leaking quite a bit of oil. That's what happened to ours. It's leaking everywhere here. It's leaking even on the engine block. The whole thing is contaminated with oil leaks. You can see how bad it is. Now, another thing, guys, okay, is it can cause an internal leak. If any of those passages where coolant and oil goes mix, you're going to mix engine oil and coolant, and that can, guys, cause your engine to fail as well. Sometimes we've seen where engines been replaced just because of that gasket, because they mixed engine oil and coolant and thought it was a bad head gasket, but ended up being just an oil cooler gasket that is like $10 or something like that. Not very expensive depending on the car model. So always do that first before replacing your engine. If engine oil gets on connectors, that can cause misfires. Misfires will cause unburned fuel to get in the exhaust system. It will burn in the catalytic converter. It can cause damages to the oxygen sensors and catalytic converters, exhaust system, which could be thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, Other things will be front and rear crankshaft seal as well. We've seen those on higher mileage vehicles. But some of the most common things, another thing, okay, we're going to show you on that engine because it's removed right here. Okay, you see it's almost the same. Even that one is a Dodge Jeep Chrysler engine. You see you have the same camshaft actuators right here. So this concept is about the same, guys. And the front crankshaft seal will be behind, okay, right here behind the harmonic balancer. But you may have a bed, okay, bed gasket for the oil pan as well. That could be another thing, okay, causing that leak. If you have a leak between the transmission and the engine, that's a rear camshaft seal that you will need to replace as well. But the most common ones that we see are valve cover gasket, oil cooler. For instance, the oil cooler on that car here, okay, that oil cooler is all the way actually underneath in the V, and when it fails, it will fill all that with engine oil, okay. We've seen that happen quite often on these engines as well. So oil cooler, valve cover gasket, guys, top things we see here at the garage. Make sure you fix them on time, use the correct engine oil, because if you don't use approved engine oil for your car, you may end up replacing those things very soon again, because it can cause damages to them. And use good quality or original gasket so you don't do the job in the near future again, because some cheap gaskets will not last very long. We learned that from our experience, and you will have to, guys, redo the job again, which could be quite time consuming if you're doing it yourself, or if you take it anywhere to a shop, it could be quite expensive as well. So those are, guys, some of the most common oil leaks we see on BMWs. Do not ignore them, fix them on time, because it can lead to even more expensive repairs. Now we have to even replace our belt that we just bought less than 20,000 miles ago. Quick thing, guys, on BMWs alone, we have probably more than 3,000 to 4,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, but we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on other cars that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. All we need, guys, in return for these absolutely free videos is for you to subscribe and like the video. That way we can keep making them absolutely free. And if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get them from. If you have a problem with your BMW, you need help, drop a comment below. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem. Thank you for watching. See you next time.